Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're here to show you today, this is a Premier Dispersator. Premier has been around for more than 30 years. They make a homogenizing type mixer, portable mixers, and a whole other line of equipment. This particular one is their Simplex Dispersator. It's a type of homogenizing mixer. This particular one has an internal baffle in it. You see the screws right here. The baffle bisects the entire head inside. We've installed a new shaft, added a 1.5 horsepower all stainless steel mixer. Of course, we finished the whole stand. This is the factory stand, by the way. And added a Tico FM50 AC frequency controller to allow you a full range of variable speed. From the factory, this comes with a small ratcheting device, so the stand will telescope in and out of the enclosure. And in order to move it up and down, put a little pressure on it. It's very light and easy to move, and you can put the ratchet out of the way if you like. Should anyone slip or fall, this can fall into place. It'll lock right in. As you can see, it's spring loaded. And we want to run our mixer in fluid at all times. So we're lowering it down to its minimum, which is 7 inches off the floor. That's from the bottom of the head to the floor. It allows for the fact that most tanks are going to have wheels on them. So you want to allow for that high-low bit. So you just simply turn on. It's a touch-sensitive control pad. And the mixer is going to go up to whatever it's previously set for, which in this case was 60 hertz, which is the full speed of the mixer. This is about 20 gallons of water we're testing in. Has a nice flow inside. And we're running off center, so you probably get a little better agitation that way as well. If you want to change speed on these, you can simply, if you hold it in for a second, then it will start to accelerate down. You can hear the motor winding down right now as we go. And you could run down to a selected slower speed if that's what you were looking for. We have, you can see this on our website. Click on from the home page, the menu. Click on mixers, then open the subset homogenizing mixers, and you'll see all the ones we have in stock right now. We have everything in process and packaging for foods, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and related allied industries. So I do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. We look forward to hearing from you. And thanks for joining us for this video today.